What are the signs of a bad wheel bearing? Typically, you'll have a growling noise while you're driving down the road, and it gets louder the faster you go. At lower speeds, you don't really hear it. If you have a front wheel bearing going out, turn the wheels side to side while you're going down the road, and the pitch should change side to side, and that could tell you, be an indication of which side it is. If it's a rear wheel bearing, it's a little bit more difficult, but typically it's a growling noise rolling down the road. You could also notice odd tire wear on a certain tire or multiple tires, like the inside of my tires wearing out. That could be a sign of a bad wheel bearing. It just might not be making noise yet, but there you have it.